Okay, be honest. Have you ever been casually brushing your hair, vibing to your playlist, maybe even feeling yourself in the mirror? And then, bam, you spot it. That little rebellious strand staring back at you like, hey girl, I'm here now, deal with it. Yep, a gray hair. Instant heartbreak. And you're like, wait, am I aging? Already? Is this permanent? But hold up. Before you panic, pluck, or start Googling expensive treatments, breathe. Because today we're diving into the real tea on why gray hair happens and how to possibly reverse it naturally. That's right, we're talking vitamin fixes, lifestyle changes, and powerful natural remedies that could help you bring your color back without dye. So if you've been wondering, can I actually turn my hair back to its natural color? The answer is maybe yes, and definitely worth trying. Let's break it all down. And don't worry, we're keeping this simple, fun, and super doable. Okay, first things first, let's talk about why we even get gray hair in the first place. So your hair gets its color from a pigment called melanin, and melanin is made by special cells in your hair follicles called melanocytes. When these melanocytes slow down or stop producing pigment, boom, you get gray, silver, or white strands. This can happen because of aging, obviously, genetics, thanks mom and dad, vitamin deficiencies, oxidative stress, fancy term for cell damage, stress, yes, that too, and even gut health or certain illnesses. But here's the good news. In many cases, this process can be slowed, paused, or even partially reversed, especially if your graying is due to deficiencies or lifestyle factors. So it's talk vitamins, baby, because your hair is kind of like a plant. If it's not getting the right nutrients, it starts to fade. So which ones are most important for keeping your hair full of color? Vitamin B12. This one is a big deal. A lack of B12 can literally cause premature graying. It helps form red blood cells and keeps your nerve cells and hair follicles healthy. If you're always tired, moody, or vegan, you might be low in B12. Folate, vitamin B9, another B vitamin your hair loves. It helps create healthy red blood cells, which means better oxygen for your scalp and more pigment power. Biotin, vitamin B7. You've probably seen this one in hair gummies. Biotin helps strengthen your hair and may support melanin production. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Low levels can mess with your immune system and impact melanocytes. Copper and zinc. These are minerals, not vitamins, but they're super important for hair pigment. Copper helps your body make melanin, while zinc supports healthy follicle function. Iron. Low iron equals low oxygen delivery to hair roots equals faded hair.
All right, now the fun part. What can you do to give your hair a comeback moment? Here are some natural and science-backed remedies that may help your hair go from dull to dazzling again. 1. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Blueberries, spinach, green tea, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard me. These foods fight oxidative stress that damages melanocytes. More antioxidants equals more pigment protection. 2. Add B12-rich foods or supplements. Think eggs, salmon, dairy, or a good quality B12 supplement, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian. 3. Get your vitamin D. Go for a short walk in the sun every day, or take a D3 supplement, especially in winter. 4. Try coconut oil plus curry leaves. This is an ancient Ayurvedic remedy. Just simmer fresh curry leaves in coconut oil, strain, cool, and massage it into your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. It's believed to revive melanin and stimulate new growth. 5. Black sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with minerals like copper and may help slow graying. Eat a small spoonful daily, or blend into smoothies or yogurt. 6. Amla, Indian gooseberry. You can drink it as juice or apply it as a hair oil. It's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants and is a staple in Indian hair care for a reason. 7. Onion juice. Yes, seriously, it's rich in catalysts, an enzyme that breaks down hydrogen peroxide in the scalp, a chemical that can bleach your hair from the inside. Apply onion juice to your scalp, leave for 15 to 30 minutes, rinse well. Just maybe don't do it before a date. 8. De-stress your life. Yep, chronic stress messes with everything, including your hair color. Try journaling, yoga, deep breathing, or just laugh more. Seriously, joy is medicine. 9. Hydrate and sleep. If your body is stressed, tired, or dehydrated, your hair will show it. Drink that water, get that beauty sleep. Your follicles will thank you. So, let's get real. Can gray hair truly be reversed? The honest answer is, sometimes yes, especially if it's caused by deficiencies, stress, or inflammation. If the hair follicle is still alive and you fix the root problem, pun intended, there's a chance it can start producing melanin again. Some people even see strands go from gray back to brown or black over several months using a consistent natural routine. The key? Patience, nourishment, consistency. And hey, even if your grays don't fully disappear, these remedies will give you shinier, thicker, stronger hair overall. So it's a win either way. So next time you catch a silver strand in the mirror, don't panic. Don't reach for the dye just yet. Your hair might just be asking for a little extra love, a vitamin boost, or a break from all that stress. Treat it with kindness, feed it well, and who knows? You might just start to see your natural color coming back, one shiny strand at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more natural wellness tips, beauty hacks, and holistic vibes. Drop a comment below if you've ever reversed gray hair or if you're trying any of these remedies. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and remember, your hair is your crown. Keep it glowing.